YouTube, what's the word, man? It's your boy Cozy back with another video. Yo, today's video is gonna be really quick, very simple type video. I'm just gonna show off my new pickups that I got from ASOS, and I do have a pickup from Express too as well. This is mainly for my vacation. I'm about to go to Cancun for 2 weeks. So I had to get some drip, you feel me, some quick shit, you know what I mean? When I'm outside, in the beach, in the pool, all that shit, so it's exactly for that. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, press the notification bells, all that, you feel me? And make sure you follow my Instagram, CozyBoyJ, you feel me? Like right there, just do all that real quick. And yeah, let's get straight into it. First things first, I got this Express bag. Shout out to my girl, she got me this. You know what I mean? When you real nigga, you surely buy your shit. But anyways, here's this simple black shirt. I want to say, what's this, like linen?
It's a rayon. Rayon.
Rayon?
Mm-hmm. It's a rayon button down.
Oh, it feels, yeah, it's similar to the white shirt I got from ASOS. Similar material. But yeah, it's a black rayon material button-up shirt. It has a little design, a little gray design. I believe there's a bird.
I think it's a bird of paradise, like the flower.
Yeah.
It's a flower.
It's very simple. I like the very simple design of it. As you know, I'm really into black. Why you wearing your eyes out?
Because that's all you wear.
Yeah, I do.
Except for today.
Black. I love black. What are you talking about? Man, black power. But alright. Here's what the shirt looks like on me. Great fit. Yeah, not too big. Usually I keep the collar open, show the chest a little bit.
No.
I wear some chains, some necklaces to fill up the neck. Yeah, other than that, it feels good, it feels comfortable, feels light. Definitely gonna be great if I wanna go to Cancun when those hot ass weather will be fairly humid. And yeah. Alright, let's open this package. ASOS, I bought like probably like $400 worth of clothes. It's probably like 12 items, so I think all of it's in here. I feel like that's crazy, like 12 items.
Nah, it's supposed to be packing.
That's what but I thought it was like a bigger box. I was expecting
It's supposed to be packing.
Pause. Anyways.
Nah, ASOS got it like that.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, they be packing alright. Cut through my jeans. Straight fitted, regular denim blue jeans. Yeah. Very calm, no distressing, just regular.
There's distressing on that side.
Huh?
There's distressing on that.
Where? Oh, I didn't even see distressing. Oh, boom. Never mind. It's distressed. Distressed on the right leg, which is kind of weird. I would expect it to be like both sides, maybe make small parts, but whatever. It's all good. But yeah. A little distress right here too.
That little ass piece.
Distress right there. Nothing really too crazy about these. And yeah, I'll probably show like more on fits. Maybe like another video. Maybe I'm gonna do my June like clothing pickups for the month. I'll definitely do some like on body fits. But for now, I'm just gonna do a regular unboxing. Right here, I have these swim trunks. You know, they don't want to dive in. Late night shit. It's a swim up bar and all that shit. Oh my
You're
God.
A cornball.
Here's the shorts right here. These are very short. Yeah. But I love the color.
I need to see those on.
Huh?
I need to see those on.
Relax.
I meant like to see how short.
This is PG.
Oh my gosh, to see like how short they are, because they're looking kind of short to me.
Yeah, these are very short. They're definitely like above my knee, above thigh.
Like.
So I'm gonna be, yeah, I'm gonna be outside for sure in these.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Yo, imagine if your dad saw you with those on.
My dad probably wears these type of shorts. But yeah, these is regular just swim trunks. Nothing too crazy. I really love the color.
Is there pockets?
I love the tequila drinks on this.
Is there pockets on them?
Pockets on it? Yes,
Yeah.
they are.
Ooh, functional. You know, we love the functional.
Not my phone. I don't want my phone's water
Resistant.
This piece piece right here, not your hills, is this overshirts.
It's a jacket.
Huh?
Go ahead.
It's an overshirt.
Yeah.
That's what we call it in my job. It's an overshirt.
Okay.
It's a jacket too. It's like a oversized shirt jacket. How you describe it? But yeah, oversized shirt jacket. It looks cropped though.
We were just talking about this.
Hmm?
We were just talking about this.
It looks cropped, right?
Maybe not cropped, but it's like.
If I put my neck right here, definitely looks cropped.
I mean, it looks shorter.
It's a large. Let me try.
Did you? It doesn't even look that bad.
No, it doesn't look bad. But yeah, overshirt jacket. Love the color teal. You know, it looks good with my melanin skin color. But yeah, very cool. You know, very simplistic. Nothing too crazy of designs on it. You know what I mean? Just very structured, very functional jacket. I can really wear this probably 9 seasons of the year, especially in Boston. Definitely be a great layering piece too as well. If I want to wear something during winter time, I can layer this with a jacket over it. So, you know, I mean, I can do a lot of stuff with this jacket. So yeah, let's get on to the next item. Next item here, I believe are some shorts.
Dang, dude.
Oh no,
The satin shirt.
My satin shirts. So I have this satin long sleeve black shirt. Very simple, again, no designs. It's a simple shirt. I can definitely wear this when I go on the trip to Cancun. Yeah, I don't have any, I have a long sleeve black shirt, but it's not satin, you know what I mean? So different materials, I can definitely pull off different outfits with different materials. Gives me like more variety in my closet. And yeah, pretty simple, nothing too crazy about this one. Boom. Next piece, some Dementias. Some Denim. That Denim. It's more denim. This is black denim with some white threading, stitching around the jeans, on the back pockets, front pockets, zipper pocket right here. Yeah, it's a regular pair of jeans. I think these are straight legged. Yeah, I've been getting really into straight leg. Like, I'm also a slim wearing person, but straight leg is like good too. Skinny is like, be times where I'll dabble in the skinny jeans, but super skinny or like boot cut jeans, y'all niggas wild. I can't get with y'all. I can't get jiggy with y'all. All right. Okay. This piece. Is, I believe this is a linen long sleeve shirt. It has like a opening. It's like a wide chest opening. It's like a V cut opening right here in front. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Just a white linen shirt. Definitely could pull off some all white fits with this too. You know what I mean? Some ideas I could pull up with it, but yeah, I don't have a lot. Like long sleeve shirts, I do not have at all in my closet. I know you should have white.
I know, because you don't, because you get rid of everything that you have. Sorry, go ahead.
I never had long sleeve shirts.
I feel like you had hella
anyways,
clothes.
Before I was brutally interrupted.
Yeah, you were the one that interrupted
Brutally
me.
interrupted.
I was showing over
I
here.
don't have a lot of long sleeve shirts, so like I said, more variety. Basically, this whole package just gave me more variety. It's like either some stuff I can wear for the trip, or just something I can add to my closet for more variety, more layering pieces, more essentials, I would say, more so. All right. Another pair of Denims. Some Denims.
Why are you opening the packages so violently? Jesus.
If you open these, you would know how hard it is.
I know ASOS.
I can't be struggling opening a bag in front of everybody. Like, you'll be I'm a weak ass nigga. Again, straight leg pair of jeans. This is a dark denim color pair of jeans. You have some brown stitching, like regular like brown stitching. Looks like a Levi pair of jeans. And yeah, you got these little cool designs on the back though, which is different from the black pair and the regular blue denim pair. But yeah, you're too crazy. All right. Ooh, it's your piece.
My piece? Oh, the pants.
Yes, the pants. These are.
Those pants are fire.
Yeah.
Whew.
These are these brown trouser pants. Now, this is like I'll say this is the statement piece out of the bunch.
You think that one was a statement? I think the white one was a statement piece.
Which one?
The white shirt. They're gonna see the pictures of what they look like, but.
I guess. I think this is my favorite piece. I'll say so. Yeah, these are the trousers, the brown trousers, which I don't have any trousers. I only have a black pair of trousers and a khaki tan pair of trousers. So these are brown ones.
You gotta see the texture.
Huh? Yeah, I love the texture. Yeah, get close on that. The texture is very fire. It reminds me of like a tree bark.
Yeah.
Type of texture. And yeah, these are like loose cutted pants. Yeah, just all around design. Very simple, but very intricate at the same time. Like it's no like painted design like you see most jeans or like embroidered. But it's just the material stands out a lot. What's this? I forgot what this is.
Ones with the white string.
Huh?
Ones with the white string.
Oh, okay, yeah. These are trousers too? Yes, these are trousers. They're like a drawstring pair of trousers. Tan. Definitely like a baggy look. Very relaxed. Gives me a lot of Japanese aesthetic to it. But if you know me, if you watched my last video, I love me some Japanese culture. And yeah, polyester material. And yeah, that's really about it. Nothing too crazy. Like I said, these are not like crazy pieces. This is just like very essentials. Woo. All right. Second to last one. Okay, another pair of trousers. Look, you're probably like, yo, you got a lot of trousers. My God, I only have like 3 pairs of jeans.
Literally 3 pairs of pants, that's it.
Literally have 3 pairs of jeans.
Well, 3 pairs of pants that you wear.
Okay, yeah, 3 pairs of pants I wear, yes. Which in total, I probably have like 5.
Facts. Facts.
Alright. White pairs of trousers. I want to say this is a linen material, or maybe it's a polyester. Okay, it's a viscose.
Oh, yeah.
60% viscose and 40% polyester.
So that means it's made from like tree bark, pretty much.
Tree bark, yes.
Plant, sorry. Plant.
I can feel it.
Plant fibers.
This is all over the pants. But yes,
the details on this
I want to say it's not like a white. It's like more like a cream. I want to say the beige.
Off-white.
Yeah, I'll say off-white. Cream off-white color. Very simple. And yeah. And now the last piece of clothing is a pair of sneakers.
Oh, I forgot about those.
I can't believe I'm thinking like, yo, is the bigger box like where's the sneakers at? The sneakers will fit here, but it's a small box. These right here, I got the Nike waffles. Very simple. I wanted like something clean, an everyday sneaker. Definitely got squished up. Damn, they just threw them shits in there, huh? But yeah, definitely a clean pair of shoes. Something like everyday pair of shoes I can wear. Like the color is very simple. You got this like beige, grayish, light gray suede right here. White outsole. I want to say this is like a linen material.
No, it's like windbreaker.
Windbreaker? Okay, she knows the materials more than me. And yeah, you got a black outsole right here on the bottoms, white laces, Nike logo on the tongue. You got a Nike logo on the back. That's really about it about the sneakers, and that's really about it about the unboxing. So yeah, like I said, that was probably like what 13 items. How long is this video?
22 minutes.
Wow, that's actually not bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. I think I did this in one shoot, which I usually don't.
Yeah.
I usually take like bad takes. So I'm actually proud of myself. Being better with this shit, this recording shit. But yeah, $400 worth of clothes from ASOS. Most of it is for the trip. I'm going to Cancun, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, because the vlogs is about to be wild.
Crazy.
It's about to be crazy. You feel me? So make sure you stay tuned for that. Notification bells too, so you know when I post. But yeah, it's like 12 items. So Express, some Nikes. I do have some more clothes that I bought, some more jewelry I bought too this month, but I'm gonna save that for the end of the month. I drop my whole month of June clothing haul. So stay tuned for that video too as well. Yeah, drop another video. So this video's gonna be dropping. So make sure, that's what I'm telling you. Just subscribe and smash the like button. Comment down below what's your favorite piece. And yeah, I think that's about it. Follow me on Instagram, Cozy Boy J. And that's about it. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Weezy out of here.